Hello kids, welcome back to English Fun Time. Today we are going to learn how to greet people in English. Are you ready? When we meet someone in morning, we say good morning. Can you say it? Good morning. In afternoon we say good afternoon. Say again good afternoon. In evening we say good evening. Again, can you repeat one more time? Good evening. When it's time to sleep, we say good night. And when we meet someone anytime, we can say hello or hi. When we leave, we say goodbye or see you. Now let's practice together like a game. I will say a time and you say the greeting. Morning,
Good morning.
afternoon,
Good afternoon.
night,
Good night.
meeting a friend,
Hello.
leaving.
Goodbye.
Great job, you are greeting star. Next, we will learn how to talk about ourselves. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English fun. Bye bye.